Hi guys, it's Mike here from KS Bushcraft, and we're doing the final part of reassembling our new Bantam with wood saw and scissors. So we've reassembled it all. We're now finishing off the rivets. Now it's a question I've been asked a few times of how do I do? Well, I don't have any high-tech press gear or anything like that. So anyway, I've cut the pins off, and the camera picks that up. You can see that they are proud. Now this side isn't as proud as the other. Now the other side I slipped with the drill slightly, and I gave myself a bit of a slightly larger hole to fill. So what I've done, I've cut it a little bit longer on one side. So whether the camera picks it up, you can still see. You can see at the moment it's sprayed because these two are locked in. And I've got sticky tape wrapped around it, one to protect it from my homemade anvil, which is a piece of railway track. And it also stops the scissors wanting to pop out because there's not enough friction on the pivot as yet. So if you use it, because this is pretty rough, I'll use a piece of paper to prevent it. So this is the side with the slightly elongated hole in the Alox. So this is a common garden variety nail punch. You could probably pick one of these up for a couple of bucks. So now the camera will jump as I start shaping this. It's one of those jobs that you really need three hands, by the way. So if you had a help at home, it would be good. So this is actually concave, yeah, concave inside, and that'll start to form a rivet head. So there's no rush, just take it steady. Okay, I'm almost there on the correct amount of tension, but I'll have to open it up to ensure that I'm right. So if you slip, and it's quite easy to slip, if you've got someone to help you, I'd suggest it, or taping it to your anvil, you'll end up with what almost appears to be a screw mark, but I'll be able to take that out with this tool. So you should be able to achieve quite easily pretty reasonable replication of a factory rivet with a little bit of patience and just taking your time. So quite a good project. Anyway, I hope you found this look at Alox 84mm Victorinoxes interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.